Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about retaining bracket. Left side you can see the component, right side this is the flat pattern. So this is the component I am going to create. And this is the flat pattern. So let's start now. So I've taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the top plane, go to sketch, so this is 150, this is 80, go to sheet metal tab and select the base flange. Thickness I am going to take 2 mm and the K factor is 0.45. See, here we need to check the parameters. So radius should be equivalent to sheet thickness. So I am going to select edge flange and see I have created 2 edge flanges. So this is a 58. And this is also 58. See, here we can keep it as a driven dimension. So before that I am going to show the sketch. See, here come out of this, I am going to show the sketch. See, sketch is visible now. Now I am going to select this, make it collinear and say OK. So we can make it as driven now. See here. So we can see the dimension whenever we modify this flange. So it automatically updates the other flange. So I am going to show this. See, 60. So it's going to reflect on the other stage. See here. So that is the advantage. So I'm going to hide this. Now unfold this and collect all bends. Select sketch, draw one corner rectangle, collinear, draw one vertical line, so this is 62, this is 22, this is 6. Now select mirror entities, and go to sheet metal, select extruded cut. See, here we have to link to thickness and a normal to cut. So after creating this cut, we have to fold this. So select the fold command, collect all bends and say OK. See here. Now I am going to add one flange at this location. See, this is exactly at 90 degrees. So I am going to make 30 degrees. So here I am going to edit this sketch. Give it in. So this value is 15 and say OK. So all the flanges are having the flange position of material inside. See, material, rest of the options we mention until and unless it is required. Like, see the other option, material outside, bend outside. So these are selected based on the requirement. So next I am going to create one more edge flange. See, this is 90 degrees. I am going to show you in. So this is 15. See here. So we have to select edge to edge. See here, this is important. So here also we have to select material inside. So next I am going to create one more flange at this location. See here we have to select this material outside. See, if I select this, see what is going to, see it is going to tear. See here. So this is not recommended. So in this case we have to select third option, bend outside. See here, this is how we have to do it. Now we have to modify this. See, it is not a rectangular shape, so we have to remove this line and we have to remove this vertical constraint, and we have to select these two and make it coincide. So since we want to make it symmetric, select this and make it vertical, and if you want we can select this and make it equal. Now this angle is 68. And say OK. See here. Similarly, we have to create other one. So in this condition we can show this sketch. See here, this is visible, so we can edit this. See this, since this sketch is visible, we can delete these three lines and select this sketch and convert entity. See here, so it will be symmetric. See this sketch also, this flange also, we have to change the flange position, that is, see here, this this is bend outside. So and finally I'm going to show the flat pattern. I'm going to hide all the sketches and keep it in normal. See, this is how it looks. See, whenever we make a model, each and every step we have to make sure that there is no interference. See, when we flatten this, when we make the flat pattern, this flange shape should not interfere with this one. So we have to design according to that. So that is the advantage of flat pattern while designing. So this is brief about retaining bracket. Thanks for watching.